Trespassers will be shot, survivors will be prosecuted. Cool. She is not having none of this. I think I'm misjudging how skinny I am. Nope. Wow. Oh, hi, sorry. Whoops, abort mission. There's another person here. Well, maybe if I would have put it in the middle of the sidewalk, my OCD is killing me. Ooh, shoot. She's probably calling the police. I'm out. She's probably waiting on a drug deal. Like, who goes to a park by themselves on a Sunday? This is like the definition of hella sketch trailer park. How do you own a Corvette and you live in a trailer? Oh my gosh, that road sucks. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. This is not motorcycle friendly. What's that? Oh, that's the same? I don't know. Oh, that looks cool. I want to check it out. And then I check it out, I'm like, oh, that was a place that I saw earlier, and I said, oh, that's cool, I'm gonna check it out, and then checked it out. So I don't really know. I might have explored all of Panama City just then, and they think that they can have any lane they want, which means they'll take all of them. You're not going, so I'll take it. So I'm gonna go to the mall next, because I feel like it. Might see some friends. Wait, I don't have friends. Pop wheelie. Bam! That didn't work. So I just called a wheelie as I did a stoppie, or as I tried to do a stoppie. That was really crap, was what it was. Is it just me, or does this kickstand look like it didn't go down all the way? So everything that just happened on the mall was super freaking weird. First of all, I'm minding my own business, sitting down in this massage chair that I'm not paying for. I'm just sitting in it because it's comfortable. And this little kid walks up. My helmet was lying on the floor, but it was kind of between my legs, or between my feet. And he just like pounces on it. Like, you little punk kid. And his mom was like right there. I'm walking to my bike, and I dropped my key, and his dad came up to me and gave it to me. So I'm like, okay, we're cool. It cancels each other out. Your kid's a dick, but then you're nice and gave something back to me. But then I go to the bathroom, and I'm like by myself, and I'm sitting on the stall, and two guys walk in, and then he goes, yeah, 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 and he's like that for a minute, and then suddenly just dead silence. It's like, oh crap, there's someone in here. And then they started laughing and left, and I'm like, what the heck?
Thank you, Mrs. May. That's this order whenever you're ready.
What if I just kind of sit here?
Thank you, Mrs. May. That's this order whenever you're ready.
Just go on my lap. Crotch carry. Ah! Ah! Let's catch a wind. RIP to this dead bird I stepped on while I was taking photos of my bike. Oh, he crunched and Oh, so disgusting. I decided to eat my sandwich over here. I was like sitting over there on the top side on. It looks really sketchy from this angle, you can't really tell. Essentially, I was sitting. Ignore what I just said. I was sitting here, wink, wink, and I was just like sitting on the edge and eating my sandwich. And this one girl was sitting in this car. I can't make it up. Pretend I was sitting right here, except over there. And there was a girl in a car, and she was staring at me. And I'm like, this girl is staring at me. And she gets out of this car, and she walks up to me. She's like, are you okay? I just want to make sure you're okay, because you look like you're gonna, like, jump. She didn't say that, but she pretty much meant it. And then I'm like, oh no, I'm eating my food. And I said, I'm sorry for making you think I was, like, depressed. And she's like, oh no, I just want to check on you. And then we started talking. It turns out she goes to my school. And she knows one of my friends. Oh, jeez. I like flew over my bike. So apparently she knows one of my friends. And we were chatting. And her brother's funny because her brother's like 10 years old. And he thought I was a creeper. This is not going to work as well as I thought it was going to. But we were chatting. And I made a new friend. And I'm really bad with names. Sorry, I forgot her name, which is really sad. You know what else is sad? I thought I could make it all the way down this parking garage without turning on my engine. I almost want to see if I can fit my bike in an elevator. I've seen people do it before, but I don't want to get in trouble. And that seems like a thing that you do to get in trouble. I mean, when you think about it, this bike weighs 400 pounds. There are a lot of Americans that weigh 400 pounds. This is why I like this parking garage. Ready? That's why I like this parking garage. Oh my gosh, that would be so loud. I've got to do it. What's up? Okay, there's a guy there, never mind. Yeah, I'm like, dude, that's gonna echo so much. I'm gonna get in there, it's gonna be so loud. I'm sure he'd love that.